Behind me is the brand new 2026 Durango Gold. It's a 310 RLQ model, and we're going to do a walkthrough. My name's Sam. I work at Referral Auto Group in Escalon, California. You can call me at any time at the number on the screen, 350-207-7290. That being said, let's get into the walkthrough. Starting on the outside of the 2026 Durango Gold, you're going to see that we have these great gold letterings on the outside decals. Those are actually going to be more faceplates and metal than they are just decal stickers. You have multiple storage compartments underneath the front of the fifth wheel. Down here, you're going to see that you have 6-point auto leveling as we back up and go around the trailer. These are hydraulic auto levelers all the way around. They also have these nice white skirts on the outside of the vehicle now, which means that, any type of kick up or dust or anything like that, it's covering the underbelly. Coming down the side here, you're going to see your pass-through storage. Since you have that drop frame construction, you get a lot more storage space right there. You do also have your valve switches, which I really love for the emptying of tanks. Instant hot water heater. Down here, I wanted to show you the Uniroyal tires along with the Curt coil suspension. You're going to have shocks and a coil suspension on each tire. You're going to have 4 slides on this KZ Durango. You're going to have frameless windows all the way around. You have a ladder on the back along with your backup camera prep there. You do have a little bit of storage right here along with your towing package, 3,000-pound tow rating on the hitch, a 300-pound hitch rating. Rack and pinion slides. You can have those framed windows on the end of each slide room. I like this tube lighting they're doing this year versus the mini LEDs. TV on the outside of the coach. KZ more ride step there. And that is the outside of the KZ Durango. Entering into the KZ Durango Gold, you're going to see that we have a new setup for our living area. We have a nice table along with desk system going on here, and there's actually quite a few settings for that table and desk. Up top, you can see the vanity lighting. You do have heated and electric seats and reclining here across from your TV with Fireplace. Couch that does have a trifold sofa in it. Ceiling fan above. Gonna have all of your residential appliances along with a dishwasher over here. And your island with your deep dish sink. Lots of storage and cabinet space on this one. Coming back here, you can have your bathroom, porcelain toilet, shower. You can have a whisper quiet AC system on this coach with 3 ACs up top. You also have 400 watts of solar. It's your king size bed with your Serta mattress that comes up and down. Closet. Fireplace in the bedroom along with your TV already mounted. They also do have a little laundry basket here. And just to show you your walk-in and to show you your closet space here with your extra chairs. That is the 2026 KZ Durango Gold 310 RLQ. I've been Sam, you've been awesome. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through the number on the screen, or feel free to email me at the email on the screen. Merry Christmas, and hope you guys have a great 2026. See you next year.